Local news for Friday, the 23rd of November. The Rian's all-farm price index fell 5.8% to the 3 months of October 2018, compared to the 3 months to September. Compared to October 2017, though, the Rian's all-farm price index rose 9.1%. In the Wairarapa and Wellington areas, there was a renewed level of interest and confidence in the sheep and beef sector, with focus on moving towards dairy units with a view to land use change. And the Carterton Street Party will return this year with the date set down for Sunday the 9th of December. The 3-hour party from 4 p.m. will see food trucks, children's activities and well-known music from the band Shenanigans. Coordinator Robin Sherry Campbell is looking forward to the event and says without doubt we could not run these great community events without the sponsorship of our local Carterton businesses. And the annual Carterton Christmas Parade kicks off the region's festive season tomorrow, beginning at Wakeland Streets before heading north along the main street from 12:30 p.m. In sports, in tennis this weekend, the Martinborough Tennis Club will host the popular parent and child tournament on Sunday, and the Greytown Rugby Club are calling for all members to attend their very important AGM on Wednesday night, as the future relocation of the club and its facilities will be discussed. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.